How we doing? How we doing? Today is Tuesday, June the 4th, 2024. Just doing a real estate tap in with you for today. Sorry I missed you guys yesterday. But back today nonetheless. A couple of things. Looks like inventory is ticking up. Nationally, it looks like just above 650,000 homes are on the market. That is still considerably below what a normal market looks like. Typically, we have somewhere around 1 million or more homes on the market, in a quote-unquote healthy real estate market. But even though some more homes are coming on the market, we're seeing the prices kind of start to take a little bit of a hit, come down a little bit from where they were. So it's going to be interesting to see if that trend continues, which I think it will, because as more homes come on the market, you have more competition. What you can get from your home most likely will come down, along with the increased interest rates. Now, if interest rates fall sometime between now and I think the next meeting is the Fed meeting is in September. I think they have one in July and then they have one in September. So it doesn't look like the interest rates are going to fall based on the data that's coming out, but new data is going to come out and we'll see, if they make some adjustments. If that comes down, you can see interest rates maybe tick down a little bit, and then that's going to most likely put more buyers in the market, and we could see prices spike at that particular time. So it's going to be interesting to see. I'm saying all this to say, if you are looking for a property, I think you can negotiate a little bit more now. Things a lot of times in most areas, once you put on the market, you have multiple offers getting bid up. I think that's kind of cooled somewhat. And this is all, real estate is local, so this may not be the case where you live, but this is an overall picture of the housing market, in the country. So more markets, you probably can negotiate a little bit more. You may not have all of these multiple offers. And if you do, just kind of stick to where you feel comfortable, because you don't know if that other person is going to close. With interest rates being where they are, if they possibly tick up between now and the time that the property is supposed to close, it could fall through. So just kind of do your research, know what you can afford, stick to your price, and make a good offer. What's good for the investor side is that looks like we can pick up some more properties at a discount, especially if you can come in with cash and close quickly. We're starting to see some people that have some type of distress, some type of situation going on. I looked at a number of deals yesterday, and the way that we structure them, and we use private money to do it, it made a lot of sense. Some really good numbers. So hopefully we'll continue to see more of that come across the desk and be able to pull the trigger on it. Just a reminder, Thursday, I think that is the 6th of June, we're going to be doing a Zoom on how you can use your retirement money and investment capital to get a higher rate of return more safely and securely. We're going to be giving 2 ways that you can do it through real estate, where you don't have to be actively involved. You can be passively involved and be able to be safe and secure, have your money attached to a real estate property and make a really good return. So I'll put that link to this video. It's going to be at 8 p.m. on Thursday, and it'll probably be like 30 minutes. Not going to go into great detail, but just kind of give you an overall view of how we can do it. very simple way. And you know, obviously if you want to ask questions and things like that, we'll take those, but we're going to do that Thursday on a Zoom call. So be on the lookout for that if you have some time. If you can't watch it live, I will post it at my YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group. You can go there and you can find the presentation there if you want to watch the replay. So but you know, and two, with a lot of this, with the time of the year that we're in the buying season right now. So to kind of see some of the pricing cool off, it shows you that the market is shifting. And because of where things are, you know, it could be one way today, and then next week, you know, an interest rate turn, some type of announcement comes out, and it could shift in another direction. So, you know, we really have to take it week by week, but it does look like things are shifting. You know, buyers can be a little bit more, negotiate a little bit more. Investors may be able to find some more opportunities out there. And like I said, what we do is that we try to, you know, use the opportunities to create home ownership as opposed to renters. So if that interests you, you know, reach out and let's have a conversation and see if what we do is something that you'd like to be a part of. All right, everybody have a good rest of the day, and then hopefully I'll see you Thursday evening for the presentation on you know, how to get a higher rate of return more safely and securely with your retirement account or investment capital. Have a good one.